What are the rights of the landlord, say, for entering the property? What are the rights for the tenant, say, for quiet enjoyment of the property? But also, your lease should do an excellent job of establishing expectations. What is it that you expect out of your tenant in terms of when payment is due and what happens if payments are late? What can they expect from you with regard to repairs or who to contact during an emergency? Your lease should set certain limits and boundaries for the way that the property is used. You certainly don't want your tenant to have the misconception that they have open-ended 100% access to the property and that they can use it in any way that they see fit. One limitation might be the presence of HOA restrictions. And it's important that your lease clearly state that your tenant is subject to those restrictions. Limitations help establish exactly how that lease is to be navigated.